In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new account to your chart of accounts in your accounting software, a task that might seem a bit daunting at first. But don't worry, by the end of this session, you'll feel more confident and ready to take on the process with ease. To start, let's open up your accounting software and navigate over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find various options, but the one you're looking for is labeled Accounting. Click on this to reveal more options and then choose Chart of Accounts. This section is essentially the backbone of your financial record keeping, grouping all your accounts for a clear overview of the transactions affecting your business. A well-organized chart of accounts is crucial for keeping everything tidy and making sure financial reporting is accurate. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts section, it's time to add a new account. Look for the New button, often prominently displayed, and select it. This will bring up a new form or window where you'll be able to enter details about the account you want to create. Now, you'll need to choose the appropriate account type. This is a critical step because the type you select will dictate how transactions are recorded and impact your financial statements. You'll see options like assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. Think carefully about what kind of account you are creating and choose the best category that fits its purpose. Remember, selecting the right type ensures that your financial reports reflect the reality of your business operations. After settling on the account type, the next step is to choose its detail. This option provides further categorization within the account type, offering additional specificity that will help distinguish this account from others. Take your time to read through the available options, as the correct detail selection can help streamline your accounting processes and hasten financial analysis or audits in the future. Once you've made these choices, you'll need to give your new account a clear and descriptive name. Be specific and considerate when naming the category. This will help you quickly identify the purpose of the account at a glance in the future. A well-named account can save you time and prevent confusion down the road. After completing all of these steps, you're almost there. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything looks correct and that there are no mistakes. When you're satisfied, go ahead and hit the Save button. Congratulations, you've successfully added a new account to your chart of accounts. By following these steps carefully, you'll maintain an accurate and useful financial information system that will aid you in making informed decisions and keeping track of your business's financial health. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this process is now much clearer for you.